Welcome back to Junk to Gems 3. If you like what you see, come see me. We are now going to move these fences right here and then move the dirt hill so Mama Mary can put her rose garden up in.
Take a ride in the wheelbarrow in your mind. Take me all around to the thinking places where you spend your time. Ain't no place I'd rather go. You're a funny little critter and I love you so. And I wanna take a ride in the wheelbarrow in your mind. I come and sit down with me in a rocking chair. Coffee pot is nice and hot. We can sit in our underwear. Tell me about the dreams you had last week, swimming all around with the fish in the sea. Come sit down with me in a rocking chair. For a couple of days or even just an afternoon. They'll be looking up and we'll be looking down. We can wave to the people in my hometown now. Come on, baby, let's fly up to the moon. And I wanna take a ride in the wheelbarrow in your mind. Take me all around to the thinking places where you spend your time. Ain't no place I'd rather go. You're a funny little critter and I love you so. And I wanna take a ride in the wheelbarrow in your mind. Yeah, I wanna take a ride in the wheelbarrow in your mind.
Look at the progress. We have been taking out this little hill so we can replant these guys. We're gonna make the planter box over here, about right here. Beautiful day out.
Yes, it is. And also, we're getting our pool ready.
It's getting clean. Taking it back to the hole. Stuff like this. Just gonna throw it in the hole. And throw it right down there. Alright, well, you can see I got my last pile. I'm gonna take it to the hole. Then I'll have to end up cleaning this little spot over here. I'll clean this spot up. I'm gonna pull all those out, clean all this stuff up, but then it'll be done.
Cold hand, frozen feet, raindrops falling on the street. I can't recall when I last saw the sun. Summer's just a memory, a faded piece of history. No one can remember all the fun. The late night barbecue.
Alright, welcome back. Look at this. Look at all the progress. What we did today. We've cleaned this out, put the sheeting back on. We're getting this ready for to transport the roses over there so I can get them to bloom a little bit better and bigger and all that good stuff. Got a little bit more over there to clean out and kind of level it a little bit back there, but it's looking good. So I think I'm gonna stop that for today, and then next time we'll bring you back of putting the roses, transporting them and putting them over here, right here where I'm standing, right here. So until next time, have a good day.